Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of gardening, specifically focusing on a plant that not only adds beauty to your garden, but also serves a practical purpose: Citronella. Known for its refreshing scent and natural insect-repelling properties, Citronella is a must-have for any garden enthusiast. So if you're ready to learn how to grow your very own Citronella plant, stick around for this step-by-step guide. First things first, let's talk about what Citronella is. Citronella is a tropical grass that's native to Asia and is best known for its oil, which is extracted from its leaves and used in candles, sprays, and other products to keep pesky mosquitoes at bay. Not only does it help in repelling insects, but it also has a lovely aroma that can enhance your outdoor experience. Now that we know why we want to grow Citronella, let's get started on how to do it. Step 1. Choosing the right variety. There are several types of Citronella plants, but the most common ones are Cymbopogon nardus and Cymbopogon winterianus. Both varieties are effective at repelling mosquitoes, but they have slightly different growth habits. If you're looking for a plant that can thrive in a pot, Cymbopogon nardus is a great choice. On the other hand, if you have a spacious garden, Cymbopogon winterianus can grow quite tall and bushy, making it an excellent addition to your landscape. Step 2. Selecting the perfect location. Citronella loves sunlight, so you'll want to find a spot in your garden that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. If you're planting in a pot, make sure to place it in a sunny area, like a patio or balcony. Additionally, Citronella thrives in well-draining soil, so avoid areas where water tends to pool after rain. Step 3. Preparing the soil. Before planting, it's essential to prepare the soil properly. Citronella prefers slightly acidic to neutral pH levels, ideally between 6.0 and 7.0. To achieve this, you can mix in organic matter like compost or well-rotted manure to enrich the soil. This not only provides essential nutrients but also improves drainage. If you're planting in a pot, use a good quality potting mix that contains perlite or vermiculite to ensure proper drainage. Step 4. Planting your Citronella. If you're starting from seeds, you can sow them indoors about 8 weeks before the last frost date. Once the seedlings are about 4 inches tall and the danger of frost has passed, you can transplant them outdoors. For those who prefer to skip the seed starting process, you can easily find young Citronella plants at your local nursery. When planting, dig a hole that's about twice the size of the root ball. Place the plant in the hole and backfill with soil. Make sure to water it well after planting to help settle the soil around the roots. Step 5. Watering and fertilizing. Citronella plants need regular watering, especially during the growing season. However, be careful not to overwater, as this can lead to root rot. The key is to keep the soil consistently moist but not soggy. As for fertilizing, you can use a balanced, slow-release fertilizer every couple of months during the growing season to promote healthy growth. If you notice the leaves turning yellow, it might be a sign that your plant needs more nutrients. Step 6. Pruning and maintenance. To keep your Citronella plant healthy and bushy, regular pruning is essential. You can trim back the leaves to encourage new growth, especially in the spring. This not only helps maintain the plant's shape, but also promotes better air circulation, reducing the risk of pests and diseases. Additionally, if you notice any dead or damaged leaves, be sure to remove them promptly to keep your plant looking its best. Step 7. Pest management. While Citronella is known for its insect-repelling properties, it can still attract certain pests. Keep an eye out for aphids, spider mites, and whiteflies. If you notice any of these pests, you can treat your plant with insecticidal soap or neem oil, both of which are effective and environmentally friendly options. Regularly inspecting your plants will help you catch any issues early on. Step 8. Harvesting and using Citronella. Once your Citronella plant is established and thriving, you can start harvesting its leaves. The best time to do this is in the morning when the oils are most concentrated. Simply cut the leaves at the base, leaving some behind for the plant to continue growing. You can use the fresh leaves to make your own Citronella oil, add them to potpourri, or even brew a refreshing herbal tea. The possibilities are endless. Step 9. Preparing for winter. If you live in a cooler climate, you'll need to take some precautions to protect your Citronella plant during the winter months. If it's in a pot, You can bring it indoors to a sunny spot. If it's planted in the ground, consider covering it with mulch to insulate the roots. Citronella is a perennial plant, so with the right care, it will come back year after year. And there you have it, a comprehensive step-by-step guide on how to grow your own citronella plant. With its beautiful foliage and delightful aroma, citronella is not only a fantastic addition to your garden, but also a natural way to keep those pesky mosquitoes away. We hope you found this guide helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!